We're playing the game Password.
Guitar.
Rockstar.
So easy, so
First thing I do when I wake up, check out some G-Idle Super Lady. They just came out with Super Lady. Oh, someone texted. G-Idle? Super Lady came out. I saw the teaser. This looks crazy. Like crazy, amazing. Damn, that's crazy. Put in the comments down below who's your G-Idle bias if you have one. If you like them all together, just say that. I was about to choose a bias, but I feel like I like them all equally, to be honest, as a group. Shout out to G-Idle. Been there from the beginning. It's really cool to see how they have grown as artists, as a group, and just see them take over. It's your boy JRE. We're gonna be streaming on Twitch today at 3 p.m. PST. Be there, link in the description. Be sure to join the Discord already. It's a dope community for K-pop, K-dramas, K-pop tea, anime, games. You already know. Discord, link in the description. Go join us. Just want to make a safe space for people to express themselves. Without further ado, Super Lady. In 3, 2, 1, bop. Oh wait, why did it start from there? Oh, okay. Oh, by the way, I slept wrong, so my neck is messed up. So my movement of my neck and body rolling is kind of like 80-year-old status. Ooh, that high vocal. Oh, that gave me chills. Oh, yes, ma'am. Damn. Oh, she's riding a scorpion. Is she a Scorpio? Ooh, okay, awesome, Cruella de Vil. Oh, are they doing like all the Super Ladies? Yup. Whoa. What? I'm gagged. Ooh, they are slaver. Their outfits too. Oh my god, every single, oh my. Super ladies. Ooh. Oh my gosh, she looks so good. Ooh. So yeah. Wait, let me hear that again. Don't sleep. Don't sleep, y'all. Y'all better wake up. You're missing out, G-Idle, bro. What's happening? I have to go watch this again, because right now I'm not even reading the lyrics. I'm just... Ooh. Ooh. Damn, my neck is messed up, but I'm pushing through it for this. This is getting lit. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Ooh, imagine this is like the whole, like the actual like show, like live stage. Like it's just like this. That'd be so iconic. Like for the tour or something. Woo. Super lady. Shout out to the ladies. Oh wow. Okay, they were not here to play for real. Alright, let me go through this one more time. Like through the lyrics at least. Cause this the first time I was just in awe. My mouth was open for at least 2 minutes. Top super lady, let's go. You never lose. cuz got a superpower. I'm a god super. Oh damn. Let me hear that. Like from the beginning, she was singing really at a high note, no? Like at a high voice. Even though she does have like a higher tone. Soyeon. Ooh, she's so badass. Ooh, she looks so badass. That hair is hairing. I never die. I never die. What? Did you? I will. Oh my gosh, she looks so good right there. Bro, if she looked at me like this, I don't know. I don't know. Look at her. Oh my gosh, she riding that scorpion. Whatever that is. I don't know, a chrome scorpion. God damn. You quickly get out of the way. Damn, look, bruh. Iconic shot. We are too busy to do stuff like love, love, love. Okay. My God. And she still riding. Iconic right here. Obvious pretentious acts of men. Talk about it. Wow, jaw dropping luxury. Woo. Even if my lips are smudged tougher than any other men. I don't know. It's for the ladies though. It's for the ladies though. Go to the, oh my God, wait, let me see that one more time. This is pretty iconic. This is iconic as hell. Like the music video too, the visual with the song. They're making an anthem, bro. You are the evil that will destroy the world one day. Whoa. Bro, she killed that. What the fuck? Bro, don't sleep on G-I-DLE. Don't sleep on G-I-DLE, y'all. Yeah, she was getting it though. Woo! She looks so good here too. Super late, super late. Ooh, the drop too. Woo! Oh my God. It's like a Las Vegas show, like on like 10 times. It looks like a Super Bowl, a bigger Super Bowl like performance. And she looked good. I mean, they always do. Yeah. Hey. Superman. Okay, statement. Okay, statement piece. Okay, okay, anthem. G-I-DLE, everybody. Put in the comments down below what you guys think of G-I-DLE Super Lady. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Again, I'll be on Twitch at 3 p.m. PST. We're gonna be checking out some K-pop, so come through, have a good time with us. 3 p.m. PST on Twitch. Come through. If you're not following my Twitch, what are you doing? If you're not showing up to my Twitch, what are you doing? You must be busy. But when you have free time, come through. Also, to keep up with everything I'm doing, whether it be collaborations, you can participate in some collaborations. You can ask questions to some idols I'll be working with. Follow the Discord. Link in the description. Who knows? I might collab with G-I-DLE. Maybe. Hopefully. Please. Let's get our nails done, girlies. Let's get our nails done. All of us get our nails done, and then, you know, we just talk. We gossip. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day. Here we're doing the Whisper Challenge with Zykers. Yeah! Cat. Cat? Oh! Dog.